There are power outages across Kentucky this morning after the strong winds overnight. Let's take a live look at the power outage map for the state, showing most of the outages in south central Kentucky. Right now, about 15,000 homes and businesses are without, or it changed, 12,500 businesses are without electricity. Meanwhile, Montgomery County Schools says it's going to be closed today because of the outages throughout the county, including Northview Elementary. Crews are now working around the clock to restore power.